Embark on a culinary adventure and elevate your DIY experience with the Dumpling Maker DIY Kit, a creative and engaging set that brings the joy of dumpling making directly to your kitchen. This isn't just a kit, it's a hands-on journey for those who enjoy crafting delicious dumplings from scratch while embracing the satisfaction of a homemade culinary masterpiece. Imagine unboxing a kit that not only provides the essential tools, but also encourages your creativity in the kitchen. The Dumpling Maker DIY Kit is designed with practicality, education, and fun in mind, offering a comprehensive solution for both novice and experienced chefs. Let's delve into the components of this ingenious DIY kit. It typically includes a set of molds, allowing you to craft dumplings of various shapes and sizes. The molds are often made from food-grade materials, ensuring safety and durability. Alongside the molds, you'll find a collection of recipe cards or a booklet, guiding you through the process of creating different types of dumplings, from savory classics to sweet treats. Now, let's talk about the practical benefits of the Dumpling Maker DIY Kit. Making dumplings from scratch can be an intimidating task, especially for those new to the culinary arts. This kit simplifies the process, providing you with the essential tools and guidance to turn your kitchen into a dumpling workshop. It's an opportunity to learn and master the art of dumpling making in a fun and interactive way. Consider the educational aspect of this DIY kit. Alongside the molds, the included recipe cards or booklet serve as a valuable resource for expanding your culinary skills. You'll learn about different dough recipes, filling variations, and cooking techniques. The Dumpling Maker DIY Kit becomes not just a set of tools, but a culinary learning experience that empowers you to create delicious dumplings with confidence. Moreover, this DIY kit is a delightful activity for individuals, families, or friends. It encourages bonding over the shared experience of crafting and enjoying homemade dumplings. Whether you're a seasoned chef looking to try something new, or a beginner eager to explore the world of dumpling making, the kit offers an inclusive and enjoyable way to spend time in the kitchen. Consider the creative possibilities. The Dumpling Maker DIY Kit invites you to experiment with various ingredients, creating unique dumpling recipes tailored to your taste preferences. From traditional savory fillings to innovative sweet combinations, the kit becomes a canvas for culinary creativity, allowing you to personalize your dumplings and make each batch a truly special creation. Now, let's address the concerns of those who may worry about the complexity of the process. The Dumpling Maker DIY Kit is designed to be user-friendly, making the dumpling making process accessible to all skill levels. The molds are easy to use, and the accompanying recipes provide step-by-step instructions to guide you through each stage. It's a kit that values your culinary journey, whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen enthusiast. In conclusion, the Dumpling Maker DIY Kit is not just a set of tools. It's a gateway to the joy of creating delicious dumplings in the comfort of your home. Its thoughtful design, educational components, and creative possibilities make it a must-have for those who appreciate the immersive experience of DIY cooking. Transform your kitchen into a dumpling haven with the Dumpling Maker DIY Kit, where creativity meets culinary exploration, and every dumpling is a unique masterpiece. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.